Well, here's a sobering fact. Smoking kills more people than alcohol, AIDS, car crashes, illegal drugs, murders, and suicides combined. And despite many warnings, Louisiana still has a high rate of smoking, higher than the national average. Today, we begin a special series called Commit to Quit. We meet a Baker woman who says smoking almost killed her. So she decided to get some free help and commit to quit.
Come on, Cece. Come on with ma.
Diane Sewell loves the simple things. Walks with her baby, Cece. Creating Cajun specialties. Spending quality time with her grandkids and great-grandkids. She also enjoyed another simple pleasure in this chair on her back patio. One that almost killed her.
My name is Diane Sewell. I smoke 2 packs a day for about 30 years.
Take some deep breaths for me, Diane.
It's a habit that landed Diane in the hospital in 2015 when she started having some mysterious symptoms.
I would get real tired. I mean, I could be cleaning the kitchen. I would have to stop, get a break, then go back and finish.
Pretty bad blockage.
Cardiologist Dr. Deepak Takut discovered what was wrong in a cardiac catheterization.
The right coronary artery had almost a 95% blockage.
I think my face turned as white as a sheet.
Diane was on the verge of having a massive heart attack, so Dr. Takut inserted a stent to open the blocked artery.
The artery is opened up very, very nicely.
And he's convinced smoking caused the blockage.
She's been smoking for a long time. Like many of our patients, they don't realize smoking is a major, major risk factor for heart disease.
Smoking kills 480,000 Americans each year, 7,200 in Louisiana. Despite the warnings, about 24% of Louisianans still smoke, higher than the national average of 22%. It's estimated that 70% of American smokers want to quit, but it's easier said than done. It's an addiction, and it used to be they tried to brainwash you or shock you into quitting. That's me. Back in 1979, when I went cold turkey at a Center for the Elimination of Smoking. Watch how they helped me kick the habit. It was like a cigarette graveyard, a small booth filled with cigarette butts, ash, and ads, where they shocked me into quitting.
I want you to continue smoking, and every time you take a puff, I want you to say out loud, "I'm an addict."
I'm an addict.
Once off, you can never have another puff.
I'm an addict.
Fast forward 38 years, and they've replaced shock with support.
Back in the day, they wanted to force you to quit because it's big, bad, and scary. And now they realize it's not as easy as just saying, okay, no more. So back to holding their hand, it's a tough process.
Yeah, I thought I was going to go batty if I would quit smoking.
And Diane's going through that process. Commit to Quit, a free program at Lane Regional Medical Center, where she gets help through group therapy sessions, regular checkups, and medicine.
Your chances of having any further problems is very low.
Really?
So you have actually saved yourself from a major problem.
And after 6 months, she's still cold turkey, despite several lapses over the holidays. And this ashtray full of old cigarette butts is a reminder of her past.
I'm so happy I'm not putting this garbage in me anymore.
And her future, her commitment to quit.
I've quit for good. I'm going to show you how much I've quit for good.
Okay, here you go.
Watch me now. That's a wrap.
And now the food tastes better, her house smells better, and she feels better. She has more energy to enjoy the simple things.
Your complexion changes. It's just your whole appearance and the feeling within. You just feel good.
Well, you can learn more about heart disease, the risk factors, and Commit to Quit at a special health fair coming up this Thursday, February 9th, at the Lane Cardiovascular Center in Zachary. For more information or to register, visit their website, lanermc.org, or call 658-4587. And on our next report, a Commit to Quit love story. Between the two of them, this couple has smoked for 75 years. So after they lost loved ones, they said enough is enough, but they needed help in going cold turkey. We'll meet Lane and Coco tomorrow on Commit to Quit.